Hi, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. Today, what I'm going to do is just a little test video. We'll make a little fire with some fat wood, but I'm testing out a new camera. Now, the last 3 videos that I've made, I used a camera loaned to me by my son, and I liked it so much I bought me one of them. And so this will be the maiden voyage of my new camera, and we'll see how it works out. What I'm going to do is, I discovered the other day that I had so much fun using my Mora light my fire knife that I thought I'd do the same thing again today. So scrape me off a little fat wood here if the wind don't blow it all the way. It's a little bit windy, and that's kind of a good thing too, because I wanted to see how the wind would affect the audio on this one. Right now it's not blowing too much, but it may not. That'll be all right too. Now this is some good fat wood right here. The wind is blowing it all the way. So, okay, I don't know if we're going to be able to do this or not. The wind's blowing my fat wood away. We'll see. Man, I love this knife. Well, I can smell this stuff. It smells so good. And I'm not going to do much, just a little bit. Like I said, this knife was a gift from my son. My son buys his dad some really good gifts. And I'm going to use the fire steel that comes built into this. And let's see how that works. This is just a little video fire steel. Had it going there for a second. Wind's blowing it out. There we go. And I cut myself somehow or another. Watch it go. Good gracious. Not sure how I cut myself, but I did. But that's all right. Folks, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again before long if I don't bleed to death. Thank you for joining me. Till I see you next time, God bless you. Don't forget to tell somebody you love them, because tomorrow, baby, it's too late.